Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today our topic is how to become a confident woman. Okay. So being a confident person is not just a one click that you would love to talk in front of the people and they say I'm confident. It's not like that, okay? It takes a long practice and patience in order for you to do that way, okay? This in a short period. It's a prolonged time that I got the confidence in speaking in front of the camera. It took me 6 years in order for me to gain the confidence that I have right now, okay? So, our topic for today is to practice confidence accordingly, to become more confident. Okay, number 1, practice confidence. Okay, so I have practiced my confidence. Doing live streaming from time to time in YouTube, okay? It encourages me to talk from time to time with different people. I got the confidence, I got the courage to, from time to time, do public speaking. Okay, in front of the people. Okay, and then accordingly is about harnessing your own unique. Okay, unique ka dapat. Hindi ka copycat, okay? Harnessing your own unique internal power. It's what allows you to wow friends, dazzle parties, and excel in school and work. So I remember then when I was in college days, I'm very much confident. I love talking with people from time to time. So, kahit saan kanto dyan, kausapin ko kung sinong gusto kong kausapin. So, I don't care what the other people may say, right? So, you have to practice, okay? It means believing in yourself and in your abilities. Not in an arrogant way, but in a realistic, secure way, okay? So, yun guys. Para maging kumpiyansa ka, i-practice mo. And, huwag ka maging arrogant. You have to, yung uniqueness mo, show uniqueness, okay? And then number 2 accordingly is to acquire new skills, okay? Acquire new skills since confidence is often directly linked to abilities, okay? One of the best way to build your confidence is to get new skills, okay? There are many ways to acquire skills accordingly. Build your confidence in smaller areas to improve your overall self-esteem, okay? Like, accordingly, attend professional development training, yes. What helps me is I love reading books, personality development books, okay? So, I keep on buying books that can help me boost my confidence and it teaches me how to deal with people, personal or via social media. Then number 3 accordingly is to dress nicely. Take care of how you dress, okay? Similar to the above point, dressing nicely improves how you feel about yourself. So we're getting the guys from Google. Okay, and next is exercise.